Okay, guys, well, I'm gone to my doctor's appointment, among other things, today. I will be back in class tomorrow, but today your goal is to watch, take notes on these videos in your notebook, okay? You are using your notebook. I will be checking your notebooks fairly soon. Give me a little heads up on that, but I expect to see these notes in there. Anyways, we're going to learn first about independent probability. So, for example, you guys hopefully know what spinors are, right? For example, I would normally just flick this arrow around, it would spin around and land on one of the sections, right? Well, we're going to do some probability with them. So here we go. First of all, let's just do a few of these. For example, this question 1 here says the probability of white and then getting the letter A. Well, when I spin this first spinner here, notice that there's only one white, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sections. So what's the chance of getting a white? It's 1 out of 5. And then look at the second spinner. Notice here's the A, it's one section. What's the chance of getting the A? Well, A is 1 out of 1, 2, 3 sections, right? So the probability A is 1/3. Now, how do we combine independent probabilities? Is we just simply times them together. So, and we should know we're just going to time straight across. So we're going to get 1/15. So the chance of getting a white and an A in this case is 1 out of 15 tries. 1 out of 15 chances. Okay, let's do at least a couple more here. How about we do the probability of striped and getting a B? Well, the chance of getting a striped is 1, 2 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sections. So that's 2 out of 5. What's the chance of getting the B over here? Well, B is 2 sections out of 3, right? So that's 2 out of 3 chances. Combining them, we're going to times them together. We're going to get 4 out of 15 as our probability. 4 out of 15 chance. One more here. How about the probability of not white and getting a B? Well, when I look at my first spinner, I see that we have 2 dark or shaded ones here, right? And we have 2 striped ones. These 4, of course, are not white. So we would say we have a 4 out of 5 chance of not getting the white. Let's times that with, well, again, what's the chance of getting a B over here? Well, that's 2 out of 3 again. So times it together, that would be 8 out of 15. And there you have a nice little simple lesson on independent probability, guys. All right, let's do another different scenario here. Let's say we have a bag of marbles. And if you read the directions carefully here, guys, it says we're going to pick a marble. We're going to replace it. I'm going to use red here. So we're going to pick one marble. We're going to replace it. And then we're going to pick a second marble. So let's do a couple of these. So let's say I want a chance of getting, let's say, a black and a striped. Well, notice over here, I have one black. Now, these are all going to be mixed up, not neatly stacked in there, by the way. And we're not going to cheat and look as we're reaching in this bag, okay? All those marbles are actually mixed up nicely. Keep that in mind. So the chance of getting the black is one black out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 total marbles. So what's the chance of getting the black? 1 out of 6. We're going to times that with, what about striped? Well, if we look right here, there are 3 striped out of the 6. So we're going to say 3 out of 6. Timesing straight across, I get 3 out of 36. Now this one causes me to remind you, don't forget guys, this is correct, but it needs to be reduced. I can divide by 3 here, or you can use your calculator to help you. As I was saying, sorry for that interruption with the spam phone call, but anyways, we got it. We can use our calculator to reduce it, but we're going to divide by 3 here, and the correct perfect answer is 1 out of 12 chance. Okay, now let's go ahead and do one more here. How about we do the chance of getting a white and then a not white? Well, the chance of getting a white is 2 out of the 6. We're going to times that with the chance of getting a not white. Well, we have 2 that are white. That means we have 1 black, 3 striped. That's a total of 4 out of 6. So timesing straight across, I get 8 out of 36. Again, I can use my calculator to reduce that. Or I'm going to go ahead and just simply, how about we divide by 2 and see what happens. We get 4 out of 18. Let's divide by 2 one more time. And we'll get 2 out of 9 chances. Okay? So anyways, hopefully that's making sense so far. Let's just do one more to end the video. Here we go. So I'm going to pick one of these. Let's do the multiple choice question right here, number 25. We have a test that has 2 multiple choice questions, each with 5 choices. What is the probability of guessing the correct answer to both? Well, remember, in a typical multiple choice, there's only one possible good answer, right? Out of a total of 5. 1 good answer, 4 bad answers, right? So 1 out of 5 chance. And if there's 2 questions, well, that's 1 out of 5 times 1 out of 5. So that's a 1 out of 25 chance of guessing 2 multiple choice questions correctly. Only a 1 out of 25 chance. Now, guys, I want to make this very clear. You're taking notes. You're pausing, rewinding this video if you need to. You're putting this in your notebook. I'll be looking at it in the near future. Okay? But hopefully you understand how to do independent probability. When I get back tomorrow, guys, we'll actually practice this together. All right? I'll see you then.